Good morning. This is Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 28th, 2011, the last Friday of January already, and it looks like grain markets open mostly mixed here this morning. An adjustment in price in corn and versus beans from yesterday, a little bit of a reversal going on there where corn is higher, beans are a little bit lower. Outside markets might be giving us an indication there. It seems like corn is following crude oil very closely, and we've got crude oil up 52 here this morning. The dollar is steady. The gold is down about $4. We've taken over $100 an ounce off of the gold since the 1st of January, and then the stock market's pretty much steady. Fundamental news, it's like, okay, what is the reason for the market doing what it did yesterday and most of this week? The problem that we have is that we've got to look at it in reverse, is what isn't the reason for the move. The weather that we've seen in Argentina has been proving all week. That seems to be good for now. There's even analysts down in Argentina that actually are increasing crop size already because of the moisture that they've seen and the improvement in the crop conditions. So certainly not a bullish situation there. Also, we've heard a lot of talk about corn usage being switched to DDGs or being switched to feed grade wheat in all countries around the world, Japan, China, even here in the U.S., where corn usage is down because of usage of DDGs and other products. The EU yesterday decided that, although it was talk that they could import feed-grade wheat from Australia, without any type of a tariff, but they've got huge tariffs on imported wheat over there. They decided that they were going to maintain the tariffs, not reduce them and not drop them. So that in turn supported corn prices a bit from yesterday. I think overall we're going to continue to see support in corn and soybeans as we get closer to the March 31st time frame when the USDA gives us a prospective plantings number, and as we go into planting, because we need acres of corn, we need acres of beans to meet the balance sheet expectations in these crops. And we've also got a third party in fighting for acres, and that's cotton. With the high prices of cotton that we've got, we're going to see some increase in acres there. Now, we gave all those numbers out on last weekend at the conference. We'd be happy to share them with you. Just give us a call and we'll be happy to talk to you about the acres projections. In the wheat market, Canada yesterday, well, actually it was Japan that passed on a tender of Canadian wheat. They were looking for higher protein wheat, 13.5 to 14% protein, and Canada says, well, we'll sell it to you, but it's only going to be 13 to 13.5, and they passed on it, and we'll try to find somewhere else to buy that wheat. Maybe it'll be the U.S., and that's going to provide some support here for the wheat market. The food riots and riots in North Africa certainly is providing some support for wheat, as we're seeing some panic buying by those countries in order to try to control their situation in hand. In the livestock trade, cutout values in choice was down 49, select down 17. We've seen cash cattle weaken a little bit. Colorado cattle trading at 104 yesterday, down $1 from early in the week. So we've seen a lot of movement in cash prices and in futures. As you've seen yesterday, we had a rally, then a sharp sell-off around 12 o'clock, and we've seen as many as 1,500 contracts of hogs trade right at that 12 o'clock time frame, which could be that could have happened because of the traders that look at the algorithms that they've set up based on news stories. Certainly could have had an impact there, but overall the pork complex should be well supported as the South Koreans lowered their tariff on 60,000 metric tons of pork as they import that to adjust for their hog slaughter. That should continue here and should continue to provide some support, and actually is providing support in the nearby contracts, so we're seeing some spread adjustments there, nearby gaining on the deferred contracts. So if you got any questions, give us a call. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of volatility today as we go into the end of the month, end of the year trading attitude. So they stay in touch with Allendale's research. We'll try to help you out as best we can. We wish you a very successful trading day. We will see you on Monday morning. Thank you.